Hello and welcome to my first ever and probably only ever unboxing video. Um, we're gonna just jump right into this. Actually, no, we're not. Another drug of choice. There's nothing like that first sip of the day when you know you actually made your coffee right. Okay, so first we're gonna jump into what I got in the first order. This was supposed to be dye-free. Turns out it's probably not. And I got two of these. I had half of one yesterday, and that had me, that combined with half of one of these had me toast all day long. So I guess I'm going to be stuck with both of these, getting me totally stoned for the next 3 months. This is something that I told you about called HHC. Holy crap, this stuff is great. I love it. I've only tried half of one at this point, but it gives me the munchies and it makes me very happy, and I'm sure if I took a full one I would get the giggles, something that THC edibles just does not do for me. So I'm really excited about having these. I was excited about combining them with a regular THC like that. That was a mistake yesterday. I was stoned off my ass all day. Okay, so the good news about these HHC gummies, these particular ones, is they appear to be dye-free. Now you can Google HHC and you can see for yourself what it's all about. It is technically synthetic. It's made from THC. They just add an extra molecule somewhere. I guess then it attaches to a different receptor. I don't know how it works, but it's from THC, so it's in the ballpark. Anyway, this stuff is great, and as soon as I hear back from the manufacturer, I'll try to send those in the little care package. So, speaking of packages, look at this thing. Fairly hefty too. When I got it off the front step, I'm like, shit, did they mail me a brick of cocaine? Okay, let's see. Yeah, I know. Again, this is my first unboxing video, so. Wonderful. It's stuck to the adhesive from the bag. I don't even know what this is. Mango Madness. These are supposedly dye-free. That was one reason I got these. Maybe not. It says food coloring. Great. Okay, I'll have to look into that then. We're on a roll, aren't we? No, maybe I got those just for me because I only see one of them in here. This one, this is the one. This is the one that should be dye-free. I don't know if you can see that. Freaking glare. Anyway, it says, well, it doesn't actually say it on here. Great. Well, if I recall, these are the ones that are peach slices as well. Peach gummy slices. And anyway, it's just straight up Delta 9. 10 milligrams each. So one should get you really happy. I got these for me. This is the same manufacturers as this. It's a combination of herb and extracts, Delta extracts. They're both well known in the business apparently. And I had a different variation of this a couple months ago, and I really liked it, so got myself one of those. And aha, chocolate. You'll be getting one of those for sure. Oh, I guess I got myself two of these. I must have been stoned when I placed my order. Another thing of the sweet slices. What I'm probably going to do, I'm going to try this for myself just to see if I like it, and then I'm going to send you both bottles since this other one has food coloring and it wasn't supposed to. And the last one, oh well, what do you know, I got 3 of these. I really have to check my order because I don't think that's right. Anywho, there is your unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the light show, the green light show. That was intentional. I know, I'm awesome. So that is all I have for you. So you're gonna have chocolate, 2 of these, and maybe some HHC gummies if you want them. No, I'm not going to send you the whole thing. I'll send you half of it. Fair is fair.